This is the second part of the IMVU tutorial on how to make tattoos for IMVU. And we're going to start off on my catalog page. And I have several tattoos that you can derive off of. Some new and then some older ones that have been around for a while. We're going to use my most recent one for this tutorial, the derivable tattoo. This is a belly tattoo. We're going to click on that. We're going to scroll down towards the bottom of the page and we're going to click on Derive from Product. And this should bring up our IMVU, and it's going to load into create mode and then load our scene for the tattoo we're going to be deriving off of. And this just comes up with your default avatar. And I like to go ahead and load in an avatar that I'll use for my own personal use. That way that I can see what the tattoo is going to look like on me because of different body shapes and what have you. And there she is. We're going to zoom in on the tattoo area. And just very simply, you just go right over here to where your textures are. And you click edit, and we're going to find the tattoo we made in part 1 of our tutorial. It will be this one, the lt.png, because if you remember, the LTOP is the opacity, and we're going to use that second as our opacity map. So we're going to click on lt.png and then go ahead and go over here to edit for our opacity map and find that opacity file. Right here, the ltop.png, click on that. Then we're going to go right up here to apply changes and click it. And there it is. And it's not really your traditional tattoo. I did this more just for a learning project. But this tattoo mesh covers generally this whole top portion of the belly down to about right here at the lower torso. And you can do whatever you want to with it. You can add like a daisy chain around the belly button, or maybe write something on, you know, one or both of your hips. And then we're just going to go right here and click save because we decided that that's what we want, and upload. And we're going to load in our catalog image, and to do this real quick I just use a stock image that I use a lot when I'm just hurriedly trying to post things to the catalog, and I'll go back and get an appropriate picture for the tattoo later. And it's under any skin tattoos. We'll type the product name and we'll just type LT tattoo. Rating, it's general audience. Profit margin, you type in whatever your profit wants to be, and it'll tell you what the total is going to be for your product when it's in the catalog. And then we need to go ahead and choose the rating, general audience, and then it's ready to submit. And it submits it, and it will bring up an Internet Explorer page. Slowly. Very slowly. And this is what you have here, and it will say this product is unpublished. I'm sure if most of you are veteran devs, you know how to do all of this, but for our newbies, you'll want to go ahead and change your picture or make the icon that you want to keep there, and then go ahead and click here to publish it, and then it will go through peer review and be approved. And that's all there is to it. Thank you very much.